A Sangma of the ruling National People's Party-led MDA coalition has been elected as the Speaker of the 13th Meghalaya Assembly. A Sangma, a former Rajya Sabha member, was elected unopposed as the three opposition parties, the Congress, TMC and the Voice of the People's Party, did not field any candidate. Pro-Tem Speaker 𝗡𝗢𝗥𝗧𝗛𝗦𝗧, who chaired the proceedings on the concluding day of the special assembly session, declared A Sangma as the Speaker since only one nomination paper was received by the office of the Assembly. The Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0 government, which was sworn in earlier in this week, has the support of 45 MLAs, of which 26 are from the National People's Party, 11 of the United Democratic Party, and 2 members each of the BJP, the Hill State People's Democratic Party, and the People's Democratic Front, besides 2 independent legislators.
For so many years now, it's a real, at a personal level, it's a matter of great happiness for me to see you on the Speaker's chair. And I'm sure, knowing the kind of person you are and the kind of work that you have done in the past, I'm sure that you will do complete justice to the post of the Speaker. Seeing the proceedings of the House